Hello knowledge seekers, welcome to Education with Me channel, where you get lot of free courses daily. Subscribe now before you miss that. Are you ready to kickstart your journey to personal and professional growth without spending a dime? I'm excited to introduce you to 3 amazing free courses available Udemy.
First up, we have JavaScript Coding Mastery, which involves mastering the language's syntax, concepts, and best practices. This includes understanding data types, control structures, functions, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, templates, and standard libraries. Practice with coding exercises, debugging, and optimizing code is crucial. Additionally, familiarity with memory management, pointers, and exception handling is essential. Next, we have ReactJS development. Covers developers to create dynamic and interactive web applications efficiently by using reusable components. React's virtual DOM enables high performance by updating only the necessary parts of the UI when data changes, resulting in a smoother user experience. With its declarative syntax and component-based architecture, React simplifies the process of building complex GUIs, making it a preferred choice for front-end development. Next, we have Python, a must-watch for high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's widely used across various domains, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. Python's clear syntax emphasizes readability and reduces the cost of program maintenance. It supports multiple programming paradigms, such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Last but not least, how to build your own business and become an entrepreneur is a field dedicated to build your own business and become an entrepreneur. Start by identifying a problem or need in the market. Develop a unique solution or product that addresses this need. Conduct market research to understand your target audience and competition. Create a solid business plan outlining your goals, target market, revenue streams, and marketing strategy. Secure funding if needed, either through personal savings, loans, or investors. Build a strong team of individuals with complementary skills.
These courses are absolutely free, no strings attached. Simply click the links in the description below to start learning today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in yourself and your future. Hey there, fellow learners. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more educational videos like this one.